AI thumbnail maker for YouTube is changing how creators work today. But before we talk about growing a channel, let's start with something even more important: protecting your data. Imagine waking up one day and realizing your phone is gone. Your photos, videos, contacts, messages, and important files, everything disappeared in seconds. This happens more often than you think, and most people only realize the importance of backups after it's too late. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to back up your phone data, step by step, using simple tools that anyone can use. And after that, I'll reveal how creators save hours of work by using the AI thumbnail maker for YouTube to create professional thumbnails fast, even with zero design skills. Let's start with phone backups. Part 1. The easiest way to back up your phone data. The simplest rule of backups is this: if it's not backed up, it's not safe. Android backup, the easy way. If you're using Android, Google already provides a powerful built-in backup system. Go to Settings, then tap Google, and select Backup. Make sure Backup is turned on. This automatically saves contacts, call history, app data, SMS messages, device settings. For photos and videos, open Google Photos, go to Settings, and enable Backup and Sync. Your files will be uploaded securely to the cloud and accessible anytime from any device. The best part? This happens automatically in the background while your phone is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. iPhone backup, simple and automatic. For iPhone users, Apple makes this just as easy. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, choose iCloud, then iCloud Backup, and turn it on. Once enabled, your iPhone will automatically back up photos and videos, messages, app data, device settings. As long as your phone is charging, locked, and connected to Wi-Fi, backups happen without you doing anything. Part 2. Local backup, extra safety. Cloud backups are great, but smart users always have a second copy. For Android, connect your phone to a computer using a USB cable. Simply copy important folders like DCIM, documents, and downloads. For iPhone, use Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows to create a full local backup. This gives you total control and peace of mind. Backing up your phone regularly means no stress, no panic, and no lost memories. Now that your data is safe, let's talk about something every content creator cares about: growth. Part 3. Why thumbnails matter more than you think. You can have the best video in the world, but if no one clicks it, it won't grow. This is where AI thumbnail maker for YouTube tools become extremely powerful. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see. It decides whether someone clicks or scrolls past. Professional thumbnails used to require design skills, expensive software, and a lot of time. Not anymore. Part 4. The best AI thumbnail maker for YouTube. An AI thumbnail maker for YouTube allows you to create eye-catching thumbnails in minutes, not hours. You simply upload an image or screenshot. Choose a style. Add text. Let AI do the design work. These tools automatically adjust font size, contrast, colors, face focus, text placement. This is why so many creators now rely on an AI thumbnail maker for YouTube instead of traditional design apps. Popular tools like Canva AI, Thumbnail.ai, and other AI-based editors help beginners compete with big creators. Even if you've never designed anything before, AI makes it look professional. Part 5. How AI saves time for creators. Time is your most valuable asset. Instead of spending 1 hour designing a thumbnail, an AI thumbnail maker for YouTube can do it in under 5 minutes. This means more videos published, more consistency, faster channel growth. Creators who upload consistently always win. Using an AI thumbnail maker for YouTube removes friction and keeps you focused on content, not design. Part 6. Backup plus AI equals Smart Creator System. Here's the smart strategy most people miss. Your phone stores raw video footage, thumbnail images, notes and scripts, editing assets. If your phone isn't backed up, you risk losing everything, including content for your channel. Professional creators always back up their phone data. Store content safely. Use an AI thumbnail maker for YouTube to publish faster. This system protects your work and boosts productivity. Part 7. SEO and click power. Thumbnails affect click-through rate, which affects YouTube ranking. AI tools are trained to create thumbnails that grab attention, stay readable on mobile, trigger curiosity. That's why using an AI thumbnail maker for YouTube isn't just about looks, it's about performance. Better thumbnails mean more clicks. More clicks mean more views. More views mean channel growth. Part 8. Beginner-friendly and stress-free. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need expensive software. You don't need experience. An AI thumbnail maker for YouTube handles everything while you focus on ideas and execution. This is perfect for beginners, faceless channels, busy creators, solo YouTubers. Final thoughts. Let's recap. Backing up your phone data is the easiest way to protect your digital life. It takes minutes and saves you from massive loss. And when it comes to growing on YouTube, using an AI thumbnail maker for YouTube helps you create professional thumbnails fast, improve click rates, and stay consistent. Smart creators protect their data. Smart creators use AI. Smart creators grow faster. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. And remember, your content deserves great protection and great presentation, especially with an AI thumbnail maker for YouTube. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.